walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Will I see again? We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All along we are calling out now again. Never looking down, I'm just in awe of what's in front of me.
Railing through Assassin's Quest, went up, hit the lead. The favourite starts to draw away. Assassin's Quest by 3. Assassin's Quest still by 2. Coming to the outside, Prince of Persia running on Gone Too Long. But Assassin's Quest races away, wins by 4 lengths on Gone Too Long.
Here's Assassin's Quest driving through on the inside. Assassin's Quest gains the upper hand and has defeated Paddy Lawler. Third, the 2 favourites pull away. Assassin's Quest, Vocal Enforcer, Batsy Manelli's a chance between them. Assassin's Quest in front, Batsy lunges too late. Assassin's Quest.